Hello everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Valia Bhatnagar and I am with you with the specific area of capital budgeting. Today we are going to talk about the concept of the day along with a bigger question. Okay, so please be with me, learn the specific question, work upon your concepts. In the last class we did the portion of CFAT. Today I'm going to talk about the next level of how to use the CFAT and its overall working. Okay, so we'll be learning it through a specific question. Shall we begin, everyone? Please share the session, like the session, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Chaliye. Capital investment decisions. Pata hai everyone? Buying a phone to buying a car to buying a plane, everything is having a repercussion. है ना? If I buy a wrong thing, then what will happen? Wrong thing will give me wrong results. If I buy a right thing or a good thing, it will multiply my money. So whenever I'm spending, I have to be very vigilant and open about it. And okay, whether that thing is helping me or not. So today, here comes a big question for you. The question says XYZ Limited is evaluating the purchase of new machinery with a depreciable base. Economic life of 4 years. The change, uh, economic life of 4 years, I'm sorry. Then they have the change in the earnings before taxes and depreciation gives rupees 45,000 in 2021, 30,000 in 2022, 25 in 2023, and 35 in 2024. Assume the straight line method of depreciation, everyone. How do we deal with this kind of question? You know that your earning before interest and tax is 45,000. You pick this up, है ना? They are looking forward towards 2021 only. You pick this up from your EBIT, everyone. First thing is your EBIT. So from your EBIT, first of all, you have to remove I. Then this is acha TDA, depreciation and amortization as well. So first of all, you can remove depreciation, then you remove interest, and then you remove tax. So this is the sequence: depreciation, interest, and tax. So how can we do this question, everyone? 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 years are given, depreciation is given, and tax is given. No interest is given, so I can assume interest to be nil. Let's look at this particular question through the specific area itself. As you can see, the rate is 20%. Showing it to the solution itself. Your earning before interest and tax is, it is 45,000, 30,000, 25 and 35. This is your earning before interest and tax. Depreciation is 1 lakh divided by 4 years, since it has a lifespan of 4 years. So 25, 25, 25 and 25. But what has happened? In all these years, if I talk about earning before interest and tax, in the first year it's positive, second year it has lessened, in the third year it is zero, there is no profit, no loss. Fourth year it is 10,000. Then you remove tax, everyone. 20% of zero is again zero. 40,000, 24,000, 20% is basically what? 1,000, 4,000. See, it is 20%. 20% of 20,000, 20% of 5,000, 0, 0, and 20% of 10,000. Now, earning before interest and tax. This is positive, this is less positive, and this is also less positive. This is your earning before interest and tax. But everyone, is depreciation a cash cash expense? Can you call depreciation a cash expense, everyone? No, we cannot. So in this case, what will we do? We will add back the depreciation. Depreciation is first lessened and then added. Is this creating any point of difference? It does, everyone. It lessens your tax paying. The amount of tax that we have to pay is reduced if we go through this, है ना? And once we have paid the tax and we have got our total amounts, then what will we do? Simple. We will add back the tax. Because technically, the tax is paid, but the depreciation isn't. So we have got our depreciation back. Done. So in this case, you add back depreciation. So for every year, your value comes out to be 41, 29, 25, and 33. So can we do the questions now? Once you have solved the entire year, in the examination, it is better to take up one specific year, whatever they're looking forward to, instead of going through it in that manner, because it's a strenuous task. ठीक है ना? Done? चलिए then, let's understand it all together. Now, based upon this, if I'm trying to create a specific area of exclusively the case study based thing, the case study can be based upon the different years altogether, different elements altogether. So the first question says, what is the net cash flows? Net cash flows means the last amount in the first year. 41, 34, 25 or 27. Everyone, in the first year, net cash flows. The net cash flows in the first year is 41,000. You got the answer? So this is the first year. XYZ is evaluating the purchase of new machinery with the depreciation. Same question is there. What is the tax for 2023, everyone? Now to do the tax for exclusively 2023. What's going to be your answer, everyone? $41, 0, 25 and 27. They're looking for tax at 2023. Acha. So let's look at the questions now. 2023 tax. Everyone, anything percentage of 0. Any percentage of 0 will remain 0. Right? So in this case, if your earning before tax was 0, you paid no tax. है ना? So now what will you do? And that's the second question that we finished. Second was 0. Just a moment. Little correction. Anything raised to power 0 is 0. These kind of questions can be asked in the examination, everyone. Simple, sorted, chota sa question. The question isn't big, but is definitely interesting. Chaliye, let's look at the next answer. The next question says, what is the EAT or earnings after tax in case of 2024, everyone? What would be our answer in 2024? Everyone, what's going to be your answer in 2024? In 2024, it comes out to be 8,000. So the answer is B. 2024 earning before taxes, 8,000. Last point, if I'm trying to find the earning before tax in 2022. In this case, what's going to be the answer? Go back to your solution. It is earning before tax in 2022. Earning after tax, na? So earning after tax is 4,000. So the answer is actually A. Done? The answer is A. You just have to solve the entire question and the question becomes extremely easy for you. Isn't it, everyone? चलिए then. Let's find the next answer. Next question is regarding what additional cost do you incur when you have a freehold land? Everyone, buying a freehold land means the land which is basically not under any lease, है ना? Which is your owned. That is why it's called freehold. Stamp duty, legal fees, leveling and developing, or all of the above. In case of a freehold land, we would include all of these altogether. So answer is all of the above. Done? चलिए then. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, the next question says which factor is not directly considered with the installation cost according everyone, which is not as per the considered as a cost. manpower directly and wholly concerned with installation, logistics and time and motion study, depreciation of the installed capacity, equipment or planning. Installation cost, everyone. Installation cost makes our specific product ready to use, है ना? Till the time we don't really put the particular thing into installation, we cannot use it at all. So in this case, the correct answer is depreciation of the installed item. That depreciation has nothing to do with the installation cost. That's a totally different area altogether. Right? Done? Let's move on to the next question then. Which of the following is not directly considered? Acha, this is part is already done now. Next point, which term describes the advantage of offsetting duties paid on asset against the tax collected? Offsetting means something which we would have paid, something which we were supposed to pay, है ना? That is offsetting na. Where do we have this thing? Depreciation. Depreciation is a non-cash expense. Then, if not for depreciation, then what would it be? Chaliye. If it's not depreciation, then ITC. Input tax credit is there in GST. The GST we are supposed to pay and the GST we would have paid. Output and input, they are considered and plus minus is done and then they find that part. Next is cost capitalization. Cost capitalization is related to the assets. And leverage optimization. Leverage means if I take a loan, I would want that the loans that I would have taken, I get the maximum benefit out of it. Everyone, if an asset is not getting any benefit, then we would really rethink that why did we buy that asset altogether. है ना? An asset should be really helpful for the organization. They should be earning good money from that particular asset. Only then that particular asset is useful for the organization. Isn't it? So in this case, what's going to be the answer, everyone? When we talk about this specific area, the correct answer is input tax credit. Okay, the answer is ITC. Chaliye everyone, that's it for the day. I hope this session was helpful to you. If it was, then please go ahead and check out our website, that is adda247.com. Let me show you. Acha everyone, our revision batches are coming up. So whenever you feel that you are in dire need of preparing well for the examination, then definitely check it out. Huh? Why? Because this is the area where you get the maximum benefits. Acha, what am I trying to say? Go on to our website, that is JIB and CAIB. Okay, www.adda247.com. Once you go to the website, go on to the area of CAIB June 2024, everyone. The sale is going on. That means if you're planning to purchase our courses, then hurry up, buy it right away. click on the area of buy now, use the code Y541 and apply it, and you will get 79% discount if you're doing it through the website and 80% discount if you're using our app. So first of all, download our app first and then buy the courses to get all these benefits right away. Everyone, if you're planning to take up our courses, then hurry up and take it up as early as possible, because every minute taking away is an opportunity lost. So please review our courses as early as possible. Get the courses for yourself before the time runs out. Done, everyone? So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for being there. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.